Aircooler SEC06H. 1.6 meter tall standing air conditioner. 3-speed swamp cooler outdoor. Double centrifugal fans bring 8,000 air volume, and the air supply distance exceeds 15 meters. Support automatic wing swing and automatic closing of blades. Remote control or touch LED control or Wi-Fi control. 24-hour timer. Protective net design. Handle design, wheel with brake design, easy to move. Removable dust filter and cooling pad for easy cleaning. 50 liters water tank and water sensor. Silicone drain plug has better sealing performance. If you are interested, please contact me.